Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to view recently deleted posts on Instagram. This can be either just videos or pictures that you posted, or reels, or even stories. All right. We'll begin by opening up the Instagram app. Once you have it opened, go to your profile page, like I have here, and then look over here on the upper right hand corner. Do you see these three bars? Tap on those. And then this menu comes up. Click on the very top where it says settings. Once here, scroll down and click on account. Then when you get to account, go all the way at the bottom and click over here where it says recently deleted. You see, they'll list all the stuff that you have recently deleted. Again, this can be posts, stories, reels, or any other stuff that you have recently deleted on Instagram. That's how you can do it. If you thought the video was completely useless, and please make sure you go in the comment section and let me know, leave a very nasty comment letting me know how bad the video is, and do not subscribe to my channel because I don't need any more subscribers.